How to pay with Paysafecard on Keydrop. Visit the Keydrop website or launch the Keydrop app on your device. Browse through the available items or services you wish to purchase. Add the desired items to your cart or select the service you want. Proceed to the checkout page to initiate the payment process. Look for the payment option available and select Paysafecard. You may need to log in to your Paysafecard account at this stage. Enter the 16-digit PIN code from your Paysafecard when prompt. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the payment by clicking on the appropriate button. Once confirmed, the transfer will be processed and you will receive confirmation of the transaction. You can then access or use the purchased item or service on Keydrop. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.